What do Neon Global and Plus offer? It's a question that can be tricky to answer because both names refer to more than one company. There's a Swiss digital banking service called Neon, which has a global plan, and there's a New Zealand-based streaming service called Neon. On the other hand, Plus could be a marketing and advertising company, or it could refer to a Canadian-based collective of creative agencies. To give you a clear comparison, we need to focus on what seems to be the most common point of confusion, the Swiss banking plans. Let's break down Neon's offerings. The Neon Global plan is a high-end tier designed for frequent travelers. For a monthly fee of 8 Swiss francs, it includes all the benefits of their free and Plus plans, but with a lot of additional perks. You get more free ATM withdrawals in Switzerland, only a small 0.5% fee on withdrawals abroad, and a significant 20% cashback on international money transfer fees through their Wise integration. The most notable feature, however, is the comprehensive insurance package. Neon Global provides travel, shopping, and cyber insurance, giving you peace of mind when you're on the go. Now, let's look at the Neon Plus plan. This is their middle-tier option, costing 2 Swiss francs a month. It's an upgrade from the free plan, giving you access to phone support, a warranty extension on electronic devices, and a lower ATM withdrawal fee abroad compared to the free plan. Plus also gets you 2 free ATM withdrawals in Switzerland per month. It's a great option for people who want more benefits than the basic free plan but don't need the extensive coverage of the global plan. So, in short, the key differences between Neon Global and Neon Plus come down to cost and coverage. Neon Plus is an affordable step up with essential perks for daily banking and occasional travel. Neon Global is a premium package for people who travel frequently, offering a significant reduction in foreign transaction fees and a comprehensive suite of insurance policies for ultimate peace of mind.